Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. We getting right into this look. I'm just have to shout out Plouise a little bit because they inspired me to do this look, and y'all almost gave up a few times. I'm not gonna lie, this was a challenge. I wanted to cry, so we got through it though. It doesn't look anything like the picture, but it did look cool. So you know, you just gotta challenge yourself. But I filled in my brows with some Anastasia Beverly Hills, the powder. I didn't even use pomade. This is all powder, and I love the turnout of them. And then I'm just patting in my Plouise base. I'm just packing that in like crazy. You want it to be nice and even and smooth for when you start applying your eyeshadow. I did blend away my concealer around my brows as well. And I actually really liked my brows. I was like, wow, that's just powder too. That's crazy. I used a plethora of palettes for this. 3 of them were by Playing in Makeup by Yolanda on Instagram. And then I used one of the Norvina palettes by Anastasia. But basically, I only used 1 shade out of that palette. The other 3, y'all need those palettes. Jesus, they so pigmented. Oh my God. I only used the green out of the Anastasia one. So these are like bomb. I was shook. So I'm just I'm literally going right off the picture starting out. And then like I got really confused and started doing my own thing, but I'm just packing in. I'm pretty sure it's just the pastels in a palette, going like Roy G. Biv kind of. So yeah, I will insert a picture of what they looked like at the end, what the picture looked like at the end. Just to see where just so y'all can see where I was coming from. But yeah, this lady in the pic, like, oh my God, her lid space was out of this world. And I'm like, bruh, I don't have that much room. So I started to blend into my brow, which was fine. It just was making me cringe a little bit. Cause like, who wants to do that? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I did start blending into my brow, but it turned out cool. I'm letting y'all know that now. It looks cool. It just was like, what? That's a little cringy. After I blended those out, make them nice and blown out, you want to use some more Plouise base. This is the white shade in the shade 0. And this cut crease is like, it's not even a cut crease. It's like a whole shape that you had to create, which was quite difficult, if I do say so myself. I did not take Plouise training or anything like that, so I don't know how they did that, but I just kind of was literally going right off the picture. Because, I mean, when you look at the picture, you're like, where do I even start? No, like, seriously, like, what do I start with? You know what I'm saying? I don't even know. So I'm like, all right, we're going to just go with this, okay? So yeah, I'm just like cutting my crease, and then I'm gonna pack in all the base, and again make it as smooth as possible before I started blending my those same shades back onto the lid. Kind of, you'll see what I mean. After I reincorporated those colors, I added a little bit of white shimmer to the top. And then this where it started getting hard, y'all. Oh my God. This eyeliner, like, what the... Oh my God. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I'm really struggling. Like, I mean, yeah, I do eyeliner, but I rarely do eyeliner because it's like so tedious, as you can see. And I was so scared of messing up because I swear I was about to wipe this off, y'all. Like, oh my God. But you got to push yourselves. I'm really challenging y'all to try something crazy, because you gotta push yourselves. Like this right here, girl, I almost gave up, almost threw the brush, almost raged, like seriously. So I'm just literally outlining that whole cut crease, and then like you want to cut the like you want to, I'm gonna just let y'all watch. I'm gonna stop talking because there's literally no way I can even explain this, so you guys just enjoy. I'll be back for the face makeup. Oof, what a ride of color and cut creasing and color and cut creasing, geez, and linered. So after all that's done, guess what I'm putting on? Exclusive BeatsByDeb cosmetic lashes, honey, period. Go follow the Instagram page, BeatsByDeb Cosmetics, so y'all know what's up. We'll be dropping January 2020, so stay tuned. I'm doing my face. As you can see, I'm using all Juvia's Place cosmetic products. For this look, I used the Velvety Matte Foundation, concealer, contour stick, and setting powder. And all the names will be listed in the description below. I just love everything about this brand. I mean, seriously, my face be looking so beat. Oh my God, I went in Ulta yesterday after I did this look because my sister needed to go to the store. And y'all, like, they was geeking me because I didn't know how to feel about this look because it's not very symmetrical and it's not just like the picture, and I'm a perfectionist and have a whole problem. So they was geeking me like crazy. Like, shout out to them. They really made me feel better about posting this look. So yeah, shout out to the peeps in Ulta. They always come through. So yeah, I was feeling beat after that because at this point I was not. Also, I was making a TikTok while doing this, and if you go on my Instagram or my TikTok at BeatsByDeb, you will see the cringiness of the video that I had to edit. Like, I'm not a TikToker, y'all. I was like inspired by this girl who always does dope TikToks that I see on Instagram, and I was like, okay, I want to do that. The editing for TikTok is a mess. Like, y'all, I was like, what is this, bro? Like, I'm so used to just being straightforward, editing my tutorials or whatever. And now I'm like, I'm not a TikToker. Like, TikTok is not for me. But I'm going to try because it's funny, like, watching the videos is silly or whatever. So I'm like, I'm going to try this out or whatever. And what better look to try it out on than this one? Like, this young look crazy. You know what I'm saying? So go check out that TikTok. It made me cringe. If it makes you cringe, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, sis. But it was funny. Like, it was fun to make. So definitely check that out. And this look is just looking more and more cool. I'm not gonna lie, my phone ran out of storage when I was making it. Like, there was so much going on. I'm trying to tell y'all, like, there was so much going on. Like, what? So my phone ran out of storage while I was finishing this up, and I didn't know. So that's why it kind of just cuts off to the finished product because it ran out of storage. Underneath, I just added purple. Just added a little bit of purple. I did add quite a bit of highlighter from Juvia's Place as well. Will be below in the description. And then I do have some shimmer on. That will also be in the description from BFA Glitter on Instagram. Do y'all see this look? Like, I can't even get into how crazy it looks, but it just looks so cool to me. Like, it was really cool looking. I really hope you all enjoyed this look. It was a rush of emotions. It was just a lot going on, but I do challenge you all to challenge yourselves. Like, do something crazy, do something out the box you would never do in a million years, and see where it takes you, because this started out one way, it ended another way. So definitely try some new looks out. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.